we've got the Barbell Cossack squat. Now you can also do this without a barbell, so practice. We're gonna hold onto the bar, we're gonna pull, and since it's relatively light, bring it up, press, bring it behind the back, legs out wide. Now you wanna find a sweet spot with the legs, okay? Because if you're too close together and you're coming down into it, the knee's gonna go over the toes. So take the legs out wide, bring the toes in just a little bit. So you don't want them super straight, point them out just a little bit, and we're gonna drop. You're gonna drop the body, push the hips and the butt back, get a nice stretch. So that's a little bit more of a stretch than I would like. I'm gonna bring that foot in a little bit, sink into the movement, get a nice stretch, put that weight onto the heel. Thigh is in line with the foot, and we're coming back up to the top. You can even alternate or perform it on each side. Drop to the other side. Again, lean, push that knee out, head up just a little bit, pull those elbows forward, get into a nice stretch, keep that other foot flat into the position, and then coming back up to the top. This is a good move to do that's gonna really work the inner thighs and help strengthen the glutes. So give it a shot, practice it without a barbell, and really work that lower body.